When engaging with the data in the Experian Mosaic Segmentation Portal, we see that there are two different ways to display the data that they provide. First, they have the means, and then they have the index. The means show the percentage of this group or type with a particular characteristic. So essentially what they're doing is they're providing a percentage breakdown to show you within each data point what percent of the households within this segment fall into each of the categories. So using age as an example, if we look at the age composition of Group B, we see that 3% of households that are in Group B have a head of household age of 19 to 24 years old. 5% or close to 5% have a head of household age of 25 to 30, and 9.25% have a head of household age of 31 to 35. The other way to look at the data is through the index. The index is a relativity index, and essentially what it does is it tells us how likely households in this group are to exhibit different characteristics or to be part of particular groups. So as we see here, the index values range from somewhere between 0 to the range here says 200 plus. I've seen some values as high as 1400 or closer to 1500. Essentially what we're doing is we're looking for two different things. We're looking to see if the value is greater than or less than 100, and then we'd like to see the distance from 100. And the distance gives us an intensity factor to help us understand how unlikely or how likely this group is to be part of a group or to exhibit a characteristic. Now, the best way to talk about interpreting the index is to think about an index that anchors at 100. So an index of 100 is the average, meaning that they are just as likely as the average American household to fall into any particular category. Anything below 100 means they're not likely to be part of that category or exhibit that behavior. Anything above 100 means they are likely. And again, the distance from 100 gives you the intensity. So if we get closer to 0, an index less than 100, that's very close to 0, means that they're extremely not likely to be part of a particular group or exhibit a characteristic. And above 100, the farther they are from 100, the more likely they are to exhibit that characteristic or be part of a group. So looking here at this example using age, we see that this group is likely to have a head of household age between 36 years old to 45, as well as 46 to 50. And we see that the index value is 204 and 207 for each of those groups respectively, meaning that they are very likely to be part of these particular groups.